created one iOS project. The project name is table view. Okay, I am going to create table view. So for that I will use this UI kit for table view selection. Here already table view available. You can drag and drop it inside your view controller. I need this table view to fit into this screen, so I'm going to add constraint for that. I have added 4 constraints, so it fits in this screen. Now I'm going to add table view cell. For collection view, that cell is not required. For table view, we need cell. Okay, so once we added cell, we need to create identifier for that. So I'm going to create cell as the identifier. And for this view controller, this xib needs some class. So how can we find that class? Here if you click that class means for this xib file view controller, we have class like that. We will check, right? And this table view needs to connect with this class. So for that I am going to create assistant outlet. So go to assistant and just click on table view, press control, drag and drop it like this. It should be IP outlet. I will name it as table view. Okay, so that table view connected with this view controller. Now we need table view properties like protocol. So UI table view delegate also we will use. UI table view data source also we will call. Okay, so now my class view controller conforms to UI table view delegate protocol and UI table view data source protocol. Xcode is telling like we need to add 2 protocol steps because it is the required one. How can we confirm this one? Go to delegate and jump to definition. Here already this protocol have lot of functions, but this functions not mentioned with optional. So these 2 functions are called required function. That's why these 2 required functions added here. If it is mentioned with optional means if you need this property or function, you can call this function directly here and use that property without defining that property. Already someone defined. Here if you want, you just call this protocol and access this function instead of creating new functions. Okay, so now we need only data source. Delegate is not required, so I will delete this delegate. If we need any properties, any functions inside delegate means we need to add it here, so that our class conforms to that particular protocol. Like UI table view delegate, we will access all the functions inside that delegate. And inside delegate there is no required function, only optional function. If we need, we will use that one, right? And here we added UI table view data source. In here also we need to connect the table by data source. Press control, just drag and drop it here. We need data source, we will connect. If we need delegate means in the same way we will connect delegate. Now delegate is not required, so I connected only database, right? For table view means it is like rows and columns. So for each row we need to pass data. So I'm going to create one array to pass data. Okay, so I have created one array. It is of type string array. The fruits is my array name. I passed 3 strings inside that array. Okay, and also I'm going to pass some price for this. Okay, so inside this table view, for this apple, I'm going to pass 100, banana 200, orange 300, like that. I'm going to pass. Okay, so I need three rows. Right now I'm adding it manually. If you need to calculate it from here, you need to pass that fruits array count here, count of that array, right? Okay, so here we need to connect cell for what? We need to connect UI table view cell with our reusable identifier. So let cell equal to table view dot dq reusable identifier for our identifier name is cell and for index path. Okay, as table view UI table view cell. Okay, the next step, what is dq reusable cell means, here we just added only one cell, so it will create one row. If we need to create 100 rows or 1000 rows means, using this same cell itself it will create 100 rows, 1000 rows. That's why we added this cell as dq reusable cell. Okay, next this cell has three properties, like we will use cell dot, it has text field, um, text label, I think, yeah, text label and detailed text label it will provide. It is a default one. If you need to create text, custom text label inside our table view cell means, that also possible. So for that we need some more steps that I will explain in the next video. So the text label dot text equal to, so the text label should be fruits, right? So fruits of index path dot row. Okay, the next one is cell detail text label. For this text label I'm going to add some more detail, like price dot text equal to price of index path dot row. Okay, um I'm going to return this cell. Okay, so we will run this. Okay, apple, banana, orange, based on the written value, three rows created. The text label, use that fruits name, right? Apple, banana, orange. But detailed text view, text label not showing here. So for that, what we need to do, we need to change this cell property. Like here inside that cell, we have a lot of style, like right detail or left detail, some other subtitles, like that we have some properties. Right now I'm choosing left, right detail I will choose and check. Yeah, now the price is showing here, right? So using table view cell default properties, like text label and detailed text label we used. If we are calling subtitle, what will happen? It will add it as subtitle. Here it added like that. Left and basic you can try. So these are all the basic things we need to do for table view creation, and in the next video we will see further.